Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn phonic sound of letter E as in elephant, ears, elbow, earth, eyes, envelope, elves and empty. Here you can observe that the sound of E is different in elephant and ears. In one place it is a sound and in other place it is E sound. So we need to understand that E makes different sounds. As I told you before, each and every letter has got a name and a sound. So for letter E, the name of the letter is E and the sound of this letter is eh as in egg. Okay? But E is so naughty letter because it makes different sounds like short E, long E and magical E sounds. Now let's see what are the short E sounds, that is eh sound as in bed, fed, led, beck, keg, den, hen, men, bet, get, jet, web, gem, hem. Yes, that is, it is a sound. It is very short as in egg. So short E says eh. Now let's see the long E sounds. Long E sounds can be made by simply adding E or EA or double E, that is EE. So let's see what are the words which are made by adding E as in be, we, he, or we can say Egypt, evil, like that. Otherwise, double E, when we add double E, that is be, we, feet, beep, teeth, tree, all these E sounds. Sometimes by adding EA, that is eat, P, see, please, treat, need, cheap, meet, steam, teach. So from this what we have to understand is the long E is E only, exactly like E, either by adding E or double E or by EA. So the short E says eh and long E says E only. Now about magic E. This magical letter sits silently at the end of a word and magically makes the other vowel say its name. So you can observe that it will be a vowel consonant vowel combination as if A, cane, CANE. Here it is CANE. A, after that one consonant, then again at the end E is there. That is silent E. So what happens when we pronounce cane? A, that is the name of the vowel, CANE. In this word, it is the name of the vowel. A is the name and A is the sound, as I told you in my previous videos. You can watch that for understanding it better. So in CANE, this word, A, that sound you are hearing, cane, ain, not can. We are hearing it cane, A, the name of the letter, because at last that E is silent. That is what is we call as magically. For example, cane, main, plane, fame, flame, wake, cake, fake, cage, made, fade, late, rate, fate, slate. In all these words, we can see that A sound is heard because at the end we are having a magical E, which is silent. Now look at these words where we are having E vowel consonant vowel combination like these, theme, eve, delete, complete, compete. In these words also we are able to hear the name of letter E, that is E sound, not the sound eh sound. That's why it is E, that is a vowel consonant vowel combination and it is magical E at the end, and so we are able to hear the name of the letter. Now an important point is exceptions. For example, in this word we pronounce this as where, not we're, WHERE. Okay, it is where, not we're. We all know that, and this is an exception. Moving on to next sound, that is I. Name of the letter I is I, where we have magical E, and because of that we can hear I. That is name of letter I is I, not the sound. Actually, everybody knows that the sound of letter I is E, as in India or in ink. But the name of letter I is I. Because of magical E, we can hear the sound of letter I, as in side, time, kite, knife, mice, slide, pipe, smile, and so many are there. Now the next magical E at the end, where we can hear U sound, as in use, cube, tube, tune, cute, huge, computer, confuse, and so many words. But there is an exception for this, that is June, June. Okay, so moving on to the next category, that is O, then a consonant and the magical E. For example, nose, stone, cone, bone, home, joke, hope, choke. But here also we have exception, that is prove, move, love, and come. It is not comb, it is come. So please find out more exceptions for this where we have a magical E but you cannot hear the name of the letter. So we have done today the letter sound of E. Short sound is eh and long sound is E, and we have magical E sound. Thank you. See you next day.